Students, in this video, I am going to discuss about question number 4, exercise 6.2 for class 9. Just read the question. In the given figure, if PQ parallel to ST and angle PQR is equal to 110 degree and angle RST is equal to 130 degree, find angle QRS. It means a figure is given here. Look at, this is the figure, and in this figure the line PQ, that means this line, is parallel to ST, that means this line. Both the lines is parallel. Angle PQR, yani this angle, it is 110 degree, and another angle, that is angle RST, that is RST, it means this angle is 130 degree. Then find angle QRS. It means you have to find this angle. This is the unknown angle, you have to find it. Now how can you find it? To find this angle we have to construct. So let us construct a line, that is draw a line xy passing through the R, and this line will be parallel to ST. This construction we have to draw. Just look at here. Let us draw a line xy parallel to ST and passing through the point R. Look at this line. This is the xy line. This is the line I have drawn, which is parallel to ST. That means this line is parallel to this line. Just look at here. If this line is parallel to this line, then RS will be the transversal. It means that this angle and this angle will be co-interior angle, and we know that the sum of the co-interior angle is 180 degree. It means that this angle, just look at here, angle RST, that means RST, this angle, and angle SRY, that means SRY, this angle. So since these two lines are parallel, so these two angle will be co-interior angle, and the sum of these two angle will be 180 degree. Just look at here, which is I have written here. Now the value of angle RST, that is 130 degree. So I will put the value of R angle RST, that is 130 degree, and angle SRY, we don't know this angle, so we will find it. So write SRY, that is 180 degree. Now transpose 130 from left to right, then it will be minus 130 degree. So the value is equal to 50 degree. It means angle SRY, it means this angle will be 50 degree. Now just look at here. So we got 50 degree this angle. Now if we will find this angle, and as in the picture it is clear that this is the straight angle, so if we find this angle and this angle, then the sum of these three angle is 180 degree, and we can find out the angle QRS. It means this angle. So let us find this angle. Now see, as in the given, it is given that the line PQ and ST are parallel, and by the construction the line XY is parallel to ST. It means that the line PQ parallel to ST parallel to XY. It means these three lines are parallel. It means we can say that angle the line PQ and the line XY will be parallel to each other. Just see here, these three lines are there, and these lines are parallel to each other. So this line is parallel to this line. Just see here, the picture is repeating here. Look at here, this line and this line is parallel. So as these two lines are parallel, so the line QR will be the transversal, and the angle PQR and this angle will be co-interior angle. So the sum of co-interior angle is 180 degree. We will use it. Just look at here, angle PQR, that means this angle, this is 110 degree, plus angle QRX, that means angle QRX, this is. So both the sum of these two angles will be 180. Reason, co-interior angle. So just see here, the angle PQR value is given 110 degree, and QRX we have to find this one. So transpose now 180 degree from left to right, it will be minus 110 when we transpose it, and the value will be 70 degree. Where 2 will be 70 degree. Just look at here. So just see here, we got this value is 70 degree. Now we already find the angle SRY, that means this angle is 50 degree. Now just see here, this is the straight line. Just I draw here, this is the straight line, and look at here, this is the Q, and this is the S, and this is the R, this is X, this is Y. So this, the value of this angle is 70 degrees, it already given here, and the value of this angle is 50 degree, which is already given. So the sum of these three angle will be 180 degree. Just look at here, because XY is a straight line. Since XY is a straight line, RQ and RS stand on it. RQ means this line, look at here in this picture, and RS this line. So the angle QRX, it means QRX. Just one second, see here. Angle QRX, it means angle QRX. This angle which is 70 degree, and plus angle QRS. QRS, I don't know it. We have to find it. Angle SRY. SRY. This is the value of this is 50 degree. SRY. So we put the value of this angle and this angle, that is 70 plus 50, which is 120 degree. Now transpose it from left to right, then you got QRS is here. Sum of this is 120 degree, and it will be minus when it will be transposed. So the value of angle QRS is equal to 60 degree. So the value of this angle is 60 degree, which is the required answer. This is the 60 degree. Thank you.